No. Do you know where to get bromine?
For you need bromine lah.
No. Dad has to clean the pool behind our backyard. That's why I need bromine. You know, right? To clean the pool, clear out the germs, bacteria and all. He asked me to clean the pool.
Bro, that's chlorine, not bromine. For a moment I was scared what you need bromine for.
Oh yeah, it's chlorine, right? My bad. But why were you scared when I said bromine? What's with bromine?
What's with bromine? You know how harmful bromine is to humans? Normal, like bromine vapor, right? You inhale it, it'll cause nervous system problems. Like it'll affect your nervous system. And moreover, if you spill it on your skin, it can cause skin loss, day.
Really? You study chemistry, right? Explain about bromine, please.
Sure, bro. So, the history of bromine starts. Bromine, Br, was first discovered in 1826 by Antoine Jerome Ballard, a French chemist. Ballard was conducting experiments on seawater when he noticed that a red liquid was produced during one of his reactions. He was able to isolate the substance and identified it as a new element which he named bromine. Bromine origin of the name is bromos, which means stench in Greek. It is known that Ballard discovered it, but the first to announce it was Ballard, and the first to actually discover it was the German university student Lowick. Bromine is an element that exists as a liquid at room temperature. So now I'll explain about the atomic structure and electronic configuration of the bromine atom. First, the bromine atom has an atomic number of 35 and has an atomic mass of approximately 79.904 gram per mole. And this is how the atomic structure of the bromine atom looks like. The bromine atom consists of 35 protons, 35 electrons and 45 neutrons. The electronic configuration of the bromine atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p5. And the abbreviated electronic configuration for the bromine atom is argon 4s2, 3d10, 4p5. The position of bromine atom in the periodic table of elements is group 17 period 4. So, the bromine atom falls under the p block in the periodic table of elements. Bromine is also known as a halogen as it is in the group of 17 in the periodic table of elements. The physical properties of bromine are: it is in reddish brown color. It is a volatile liquid with a choking, irritating smell. Bromine has a boiling point of 59 degrees Celsius and a melting point of -7 degrees Celsius. It also has a density of 3.2 gram per milliliters. It dissolves slightly to form oxobromate, HOBr acid and HBr, while the chemical properties of bromine are that it shows lower electronegativity and reactivity in comparison with chlorine but higher when compared to iodine. It reacts moderately with metals and non-metals, but it shows weak bleaching actions and also shows moderate oxidizing action. Bromine always displaces iodine from iodides. Since bromine is in group 17 in the periodic table of elements and has a valence electron of 7, the bromine atom tends to accept one electron to achieve stable octet electron arrangement. Therefore, bromine tends to form a single covalent bond when reacted with other elements. For an example, the molecule Br2 is formed by two bromine atoms sharing one electron each with a single covalent bond.
As the follows.
Large pictorial photos of actors and idols are called bromide, which originated from the use of silver bromide as a photosensitive agent for photographs. For industrial use, it is mainly produced in saltwater reservoirs in China, the United States and Israel, and is used as a raw material for flame prevention materials to prevent fire from spreading. Polyester clothing is also used as flame retardant paint. In the early 1900s, bromine was used as a component in the production of leaded gasoline, which was later found to be harmful to both human health and the environment. As a result, bromine was phased out of gasoline production and replaced by other compounds. When brominated ions meet chlorine or ozone, which is used to sterilize tap water, they make brominate, which is a suspected carcinogen, and LA covered the reservoir with black balls to prevent it. Today, bromine is primarily used in flame retardants and as a disinfectant in swimming pools and hot tubs. It is also used in the production of pharmaceuticals, agricultural chemicals, and certain plastics. Despite its limited use, bromine continues to play an important role in industry and in scientific